another day. We got a couple things here, what we really needed. So, I mean, well, this is a nice to have. That's not gonna help it get in the water, but it'll help it stay strapped down. We needed our primer bulb, and we needed our cable ends for our control cables, 2 for each. All right, moment of truth. Let's hope this is the right thing. Well, it looks like it is. Good stuff. All right, I'm gonna get this on. I'm gonna get all these hooked up. All right, so I can't really seem, even though it looks like it wants to fit, I can't get this slid onto there. So what I'm going to do, whether this is right or not, I don't know, is just take a drill bit and just drill out a little bit of that, because it looks like it's just plastic in there. So I'm just going to drill out a little bit of that, widen the hole, not too much. Rather take too little than too much. So I'm just do a little bit and then see how that fits. All right, so we have a 1/4 here, which fits through perfect. So this must be 1/4. But the thing is, we bring out 5/16, and it doesn't quite fit. And when you look, you can see that this is basically the same size right there. You can even tell. So I think we're on the money with this one. All right, there you are right there. You can see that it is on nice and tight. I'm gonna do the same for this one, which has more than just that little lip. I just have to push it up through, and I got through the pin in there. I'm gonna do the same for those up there. I'm gonna drill those 5/16. Should be good. All right, good. All right, so y'all can see we got the ends on there. They screwed just about all the way on, and you know, you're able to tighten it up with that nut right there. So what we got is the gear shifter. This is in neutral right now, and then it throws it into reverse, and it throws it into drive, and then this is the throttle. Just to be clear, remember the little black tape is the same as the little black tape, and that little black tape, that is on the, that's the gear shifter, and then this is the throttle up here. So black tape on the gear. Let's do this. You want it chilling right there, right? Sorry, kind of did it without the recording, but the reason it was hard to fit on there is because, and I'm fairly confident on this, is because those aren't exactly the proper cable ends for the throttle. I think the throttle are a little bit more squattier, just a little bit more squattier and wider. I hope those will do just fine, hopefully. Well, what is up next is to take that ground wire and this power wire right here, and the ground goes right there to the top, and then the power goes right there to that nut right there. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to run it down, out. This is at full extension, and then over, power to the switch, ground to the battery. Yeah. You see, so we got the negative there, the positive there, going, and you can see the positive, the power, comes in, and it's actually that wire that's going around there and then up to the output of the switch. And then of course the negative, where is the negative? Right here. Then you can kind of see it go right there, and then it goes to the negative terminal right under the cap right there. We're on the boat. I got the fire extinguisher in here just in case. I just want to test out some of the electrical to see what we got going on here. So let's do that. We have our switch to off. We have our breaker. Okay, that's good. And we're going to turn the switch. Just use one for now. Nothing came on prematurely. And turn on the key. So, ooh, we got some power in the gauges. Okay, we're not going very fast. And then nothing came on prematurely as well. If I pull this, yes sir, we have that come on, and I can't see the bow lights, but the bow lights shouldn't be on until I go all the way. So again, I can't tell from back here. I can test it out, but I don't feel like getting in that out of the boat twice. So, see, still on. off. Cool. So let's turn on the second, which is the starter, which is hooked up to that. Okay? Then we flip on the key here. You can hear it, what is that, priming or something? Yeah, you could hear that. What can we do here? Okay, so something ain't working there. I don't know if that's because I need to tighten something up. That's probably what it is. Let me test it here. Yeah, I gotta figure what is going on there, but power is being transferred. I just gotta make sure that the trim tail actually works. So, that being said, I'm going to turn everything off. But I must admit, that's a good feeling. We got power to the lights. We got power to the motor. We got the trim tilt, power to the gauges. Obviously, there are a few more things. We gotta make sure that we have power to that pump, which we should, you know, it's a solid connection, but I gotta throw oil in there and I gotta run it on some muffs, which we got right there. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I also have to test out the bilge. I'm not gonna do that right now either. What I am gonna do is, wait a sec. I remember my brother telling me about how when I go to use a trim tilt, don't worry if you hear the sound because it takes time for like the fluid to go or the rods or I don't know what it is. He said something, so let's see what we can do. I'm gonna throw both batteries on just cause. And okay, we're gonna try to go up for 10 seconds. Oh! I just needed to tighten up that manual trim tilt valve. I did that off camera and I wasn't sure that that was the that was the problem, but I guess it is. Oh my gosh, can y'all even see that? I have good crap. It's not that one. Oh, not that.
It's well, it's filling the bowl up.
I'll see.
Well, that's good. Right?
All right, yeah, look at the other.
I hear it. I don't see it yet.
How about that fuel canister on the motor?
Keep going.
I am, I'm trying. It's taking forever.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
This thing's got to go all the way.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
What are you saying? I can't hear you.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
My hand is cramping. No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, it's pumping that. Wait, what's this? That's water. Never mind.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's pumping. I was looking at that. Yeah, you got fuel in there.
Filling up?
It's filling up. You're about 3/4 of the way. You need 2 more pumps. What? 1 more pump.
Well, I'm gonna keep going.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
got to get past that
yeah.
too. Well, it's getting real hard.
I don't see nothing in here. It must be nice having a working motor.
Well, we don't know if it works yet. Is that full?
Yeah, it's full.
I seen it start and run, but
What is this?
what, the switch?
No, this.
I don't know.
They took mine out.
I think it's a sensor.
You took it out, but you don't know what it is.
Well, I
Like,
had to move it out
probably
the
don't
way
need
because I
this.
was in the process of taking the heads off. And then I said, screw it. But it comes out easily, and it's got a little...
Oh yeah, Hunter, I figured out what that switch on there is.
What switch?
That.
Oh.
It's to activate this pump.
Okay.
Emergency switch. Holding up
Does
the
it work?
emergency switch pumps reserve oil into the main oil.
I don't have
tank,
any
so you can
oil in
continue
there.
cruising.
I haven't tried it.
You didn't know what it was, even though it says what it says it is?
I don't think we read. Don't look at me. Hunter's the one's like, what is this?
First
I've
of
never
all, we
seen it
can't
before.
read.
It is the hard one.
Use what you got.
What it?
Mine's like
You're
blue.
good.
Looks like dirty oil. You got used oil?
I know it does look like dirty oil.
That's what 2-stroke oil is. It's just
Really?
It's just used 4-stroke oil.
Wait a second.
No, it's just kidding. Don't ever believe me. All right, let's try.
So
it.
we got oil
Do you
in
have a
there?
key?
Yeah, keys in there.
Are you sure?
No, I'm tall.
Oh.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be loud.
Wait, you have the camera on.
Does it look like it?
I mean, it's on, but is it recording? It is recording.
Alright.
You're good. Stop being.
It might be the muff. Might not have enough on it. You know what I mean? No PP.
I don't know. I don't think it doesn't sound right.
I should sell it to you for half price.
I'll take it off your hands.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that was quick. I was stoked on that.
Yeah, I guess it was because there was gas still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she fired right up and then she caught up with it.
Yeah, he's very jealous.
Yep.
I want to mow it.
But when you actually get it in the water,
That's when all the problems will happen.
well, make sure where's.
Watch out, though. That's going to get you. That wasp is following me around. It's probably looking for its nest.
Well, then
that mom's
stop following me!
Well, I'd rather it
Just
be you
kidding.
than me.
Just, yeah, make sure it pees out of here. That's your
Yeah.
indicator to make sure it's going all through.
Yeah.
It might not have enough, like,
Pressure to get all the way up there.
because of the hose. And those muffs, like, I have to use, like, the other muffs that I have in my house.
Yeah.
Because that won't let my motors pee, because they don't hold suction enough. Because you saw all the water going everywhere else.
Yeah.
I mean, there's still water getting up there. It's just not enough to go through that.